In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all your data in OneDrive step by step so you can completely clear out your files and start fresh. This is useful if you want to clean up all documents, remove everything from your cloud storage, or prepare your OneDrive account for a new beginning. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the account that contains the files you want to remove, because everything you do from here will apply to that storage space. Once you're signed in, go to My Files. This is where all of your uploaded and synced files are stored. If your goal is to reset everything, this is the main area you'll want to clear out. Now click Select All. If you're on a Windows keyboard, you can also press Ctrl+A to select everything at once. This is the fastest way to highlight all the files in your current OneDrive folder. Just take a quick look before you continue, because there may be items you do not want to remove yet. One important thing to watch for is Personal Vault. If Personal Vault is selected, deselect it before deleting. Personal Vault is a separate protected area, so it may need to be handled manually. If it's checked along with your other files, make sure you unselect it so you can avoid deleting anything you want to keep safe for now. After everything you want to remove is selected, click Delete. OneDrive will ask you to confirm the deletion, so go ahead and confirm it. This sends the selected files to the recycle bin instead of removing them permanently right away, which gives you one more chance to review everything. Next, open the recycle bin. This is an important step if you really want to reset your data, because deleting files from My Files alone does not always remove them completely. In the recycle bin, click Empty Recycle Bin. This permanently clears out the deleted items and helps make sure your OneDrive storage is fully cleaned up. If you also have files stored in Personal Vault, you'll need to handle that separately. Open Personal Vault on its own, unlock it, and then manually delete the contents inside. Because Personal Vault is protected, it doesn't always behave the same way as your regular files. So if your goal is a full reset, don't forget this extra step. After deleting the files from Personal Vault, go back and empty the recycle bin again if needed. This makes sure nothing is left behind in the recovery area. At this point, your OneDrive should be much closer to a clean slate. A quick tip before you finish. If you're trying to completely reset your storage, double-check shared folders, synced content, and anything inside Personal Vault, because those can sometimes be overlooked. Taking a minute to review everything now can save you from accidentally leaving old files behind. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset all your data in OneDrive by selecting your files, deleting them, clearing the recycle bin, and handling Personal Vault separately if needed. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.